All right, what's going on, guys? In this trading video, guys, I'm going to teach you how to trade the news like a pro without getting clapped. Okay. And one of the fastest ways to blow your account is actually trading the news, or you can double it. So, trading news events is like gambling, and that's something that we don't want to do as professional smart traders. We want to protect our capital at all cost. All right. The goal is not to guess the news outcome, but to react to the reaction. So you see me from all the time trade NFP, and the reason why I trade NFP because I like to catch big moves in the market. But the difference is I'm not trading my main account. I'm trading an account where I have money that I'm willing to risk or willing to lose. So if you want to do the same thing, set up an account, put money in there that you're willing to risk and you're willing to lose, just to have fun. It's okay to have fun with trading, but that's what you want to do. You don't want to gamble your main trading funds. You want to protect your funds at all cost. That's the first thing. So my first rule is do not trade the news. Wait until after the news comes out and then react to what the market is telling us to do. All right, so that's the first step. So today I'm going to walk you through a 3-step process on how to trade the news like a pro. So the first step is don't trade the news. And if you do trade the news, make sure it's in a separate account and you have funds that you're willing to lose. Because again, none of us can guess the direction of the market. None of us can. Okay. It's just a guess. We don't know the outcome of the numbers when it comes to the news. Now, usually I teach a method on NFP called the 52 fakeout. I have videos on YouTube, and I trade gold on the 52 fakeout. So we didn't have a 52 fakeout here on gold this time. Okay. Off the daily time frame, we had a cheat code buy signal, so we knew that price was going to reverse. We just didn't know when. If you go to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that we had a W form here on gold, a reversal pattern. Okay, let's show that real quick. So this reversal pattern here, price came down, came back up. All right, that's a reversal pattern here on the 1 hour time frame. Let's go to the 15-minute real quick. And here is why I decided to take the gold buy before the news. Okay, usually when I'm trading NFP, I'll wait until after the news comes out to trade NFP for the 52 fake out, because usually gold will spike in a certain direction and then for the rest of the day trend in the opposite direction. That didn't happen this time. Okay, that did not happen this time. So if you turn on the CCORB, here is how I caught that gold trade. So we had a buy signal that came out at 7 a.m. All right, news didn't come out to what, 8:30. So I hopped in this trade kind of early. I seen that we were bullish, or price was above the 47 moving average on the 15-minute time frame. Also seen that we had a cheat code buy signal on the 1 hour time frame. Price is outside the band, and we already had a confirmed buy. So obviously price is going to continue up. All right. So I was willing to take that risk here on gold, and that's why I was able to catch that move here on gold. Normally, I don't trade until after the news comes out for NFP or any news event. Okay. Let's go back to the daily real quick. So let's go back to the dollar. All right. So let's break down what actually moves the market during news events. We have NFP, non-farm payroll. We have CPI, which is inflation. We have FOMC, which is interest rates, GDP, PMI, unemployment. Okay, these aren't just headlines, they're institutional fire starters. So this is what moves the market. So normally, if I'm in a swing trade, maybe a couple days before a major news event or even a week, I can care less about what happens with that news event, because eventually price is going to correct itself to go in the direction of the daily time frame. Okay. As a trader, you want to, if no one ever has ever told you this, you want to trade in the direction of the current price action on the daily time frame. Okay. That is how you win more than you lose. You want to trade in the direction of the daily time frame current price action. So on the daily time frame, there's two trends. Okay. And I'll always teach this. Okay. We have the overall trend of the market. Overall trend, as you see here, is bearish. Okay. We just broke above the 47 moving average. So now we're bullish, but the overall trend is bearish. The current price action, though, that you see here is bullish. Okay. So you want to trade in the direction of the current price action. Now, we did have a cheat code sell signal a day before, which came out the 31st. So obviously price has dropped during NFP, and that is going to be a pullback for price to continue higher. So we will be buying the dollar for a while because the dollar is gaining strength. Okay. If the dollar is gaining strength, that means gold is going to drop. Okay. That means pairs like GU, they're going to drop. Okay. I caught this trade here on GU. We have, this is like beautiful mark. I mean, GU has a beautiful trending market structure. Okay. This side, we were bullish the whole entire time. Now you can see that price drop below. Excuse the noise in the back. Price drop below. Okay. And now we're below the 47 moving average. We got a cheat code buy signal. NFP took price higher on GU. We're looking to head back up to this resistance area that was previous support. And then we can look for GU to continue down. Okay. So that's the three-step process, guys. Don't trade the news. If you do, make sure you are, number two, make sure you are opening a second account with funds you are willing to lose. Okay. And make sure that you are reacting to the news. You're not trying to guess the outcome of the news. You're reacting to the news. All right. So that is my three-step process for trading the news safely as a smart professional trader. Wait until after the news comes out to take any positions. All right. And if you do trade the news, guys, make sure you're using half your normal lot size. Or make sure your stops is wider. Okay. Don't do any trailing stops. Again, it's just best not to trade the news beforehand. Just wait until after the news comes out, and then you will protect your capital, because that's the name of the game here. We want to protect their capital at all costs. Trading is already hard. Why lose unnecessary money when you don't have to? Okay. Now, if you want to do it for show, again, open a separate account, put money in there that you're willing to lose, and go for the gusto. But if it's your main account, something that you're looking for a long-term investment, you're trying to build the account, don't risk the account at all. Don't take unnecessary risk that way. Okay. Trade the right way. Trade as a smart professional trader, and don't risk your capital. Protect it at all costs. So I hope this video helps you out. Just wanted to keep it short, simple, and sweet. All right. And if you have any questions, please leave them below. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, I'd like to interrupt this video, guys, to let you know about Hero FX. This is a broker, and they have a new account type called the Hero 10X account. It is 10 times better than any prop firm out there. Here's the reason why. Because what they do, you can instantly 10x your trading account. So if you put $100 into this broker, they're going to give you $1,000 of real trading capital. If you put $500 into this trading broker, they're going to give you $5,000 in trading capital. If you put $100,000 into this broker, they're going to give you $1 million in trading capital. Okay, you get this instantly. You can withdraw 24/7. My withdrawal came within minutes. I have a video on my YouTube that'll show you that I was able to make a withdrawal from this broker instantly. Another thing is that you keep 100% of the profits. And the only rule that they have is they have a static drawdown, which is 10% of the account. Okay. Now, again, there's no rules. You trade your way. There's no limits. There's no limits on news trading, weekend trading, lot sizes. You trade however you want to trade with no restrictions. Okay. This is a no brainer because when you have more capital, that means you can trade with bigger lot sizes, and that means more and bigger profits. Okay. So, again, if you want access to this broker, the link will be in the description below. In addition to that, when you sign up with this broker and deposit at least $100 into Hero FX, you'll be able to join the Consistent Trader Club and you'll have access to the new CCORB indicator. All right. So make sure you join today. I'll see you guys inside the group.